Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about black holes. And we have our News to You article called Scientists Find a Black Hole. I bet you've heard a lot about black holes, and maybe in movies or in something you've learned in science class. But this is new and interesting information. So this is in the world news category of our News to You articles. So let's go ahead and read it first. Scientists find a black hole. I'm going to read to you, so read along with me. Scientists called astronomers found a black hole in space. A black hole is a unique area in space nothing can escape, including light, dust, and more. A black hole has a lot of gravity and pulls these things toward itself. Most black holes are very far away from Earth. This black hole is the closest black hole to Earth scientists have ever found. It is still many miles away from Earth. Scientists don't know a lot about black holes. They think black holes may be closer to Earth. So we're going to go ahead and learn about what a black hole is. So come with me as we watch the video on black holes.
Black holes are among the most fascinating objects in our universe, and also the most mysterious. A black hole is a region in space where the force of gravity is so strong, not even light, the fastest known entity in our universe, can escape. The boundary of a black hole is called the event horizon, a point of no return, beyond which we truly cannot see. When something crosses the event horizon, it collapses into the black hole's singularity, an infinitely small, infinitely dense point where space, time, and the laws of physics no longer apply. Scientists have theorized several different types of black holes, with stellar and supermassive black holes being the most common. Stellar black holes form when massive stars die and collapse. They're roughly 10 to 20 times the mass of our sun and scattered throughout the universe. There could be millions of these stellar black holes in the Milky Way alone. Supermassive black holes are giants by comparison, measuring millions, even billions of times more massive than our sun. Scientists can only guess how they form, but we do know they exist at the center of just about every large galaxy, including our own. Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, has a mass of roughly 4 million suns and has a diameter about the distance between the Earth and our sun. Because black holes are invisible, the only way for scientists to detect and study them is to observe their effect on nearby matter. This includes accretion disks, a disk of particles that form when gases and dust fall toward a black hole, and quasars, jets of particles that blast out of supermassive black holes. Black holes remained largely unknown until the 20th century. In 1916, using Einstein's general theory of relativity, a German physicist named Karl Schwarzschild calculated that any mass could become a black hole if it were compressed tightly enough. But it wasn't until 1971 when theory became reality. Astronomers studying the constellation Cygnus discovered the first black hole. An untold number of black holes are scattered throughout the universe, constantly warping space and time, altering entire galaxies, and endlessly inspiring both scientists and our collective imagination.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. We're going to go back to our News to You article, and we're going to click on the link. Now, remember, you can look up these articles in the News to You section on your unique learning. So what's fun is this little box down here always has a link that takes us to some interesting more information. We're going to click on the link, and it's going to give us a little bit more of the article that says the closest black hole to Earth was found in a star system you can see with the naked eye. So let's take a look at that picture. And I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. It says European astronomers have found the closest black hole to Earth yet. One of the more undetected black holes that could be found in the future. A team of astronomers from the European Southern Observatory discovered the black hole just 1,000 light years from Earth. It says that the astronomers found the invisible object while tracking two nearby star constellations. So they weren't searching for it, they just saw it. So this new black hole is a part of a system called HR 6819. And it consisted of three stars before the massive star in the middle collapsed into a supernova explosion and then became a black hole. So I know it's hard for you guys to see me with this thing here. I'm going to try to fix that. Sometimes when we go onto these, they've got ads and it gets a little tricky for me. So this was pretty exciting because they found this black hole, which is the closest black hole that they have found to our planet. Still, we know that it is light years away. But some exciting information, some great new information on black holes coming out there. And this is my challenge for you, or your homework for this week. I want you to go ahead and get into your Keynote Speaker app on your iPad. You are going to go ahead and do a keynote on black holes. So Google pictures, words, maybe the definition of a black hole, and include that in there. And then you are going to share with me the information that you have learned about black holes and all the different pictures. Now, I really want you to try to get information on black holes, not just space, not just other fun pictures that you think are beautiful. Really try to get in there with the word black hole. So first do a Google search, then embed all of that information and the pictures into your keynote presentation. And on Friday, when we have our meeting at 3 o'clock on Life Size, you can share with everyone your keynote presentations. So black holes are just really fun. That's kind of our science for this week. I want you to keep learning, keep each other safe and happy. Remember, I miss you. Have a great day.